What's up, guys? Beautiful day here in Portland, and today, this is unusual for my channel, isn't it? It's smaller, it's not even four-wheel drive. Why am I even filming this, you might be asking yourselves. And that's what I'm going to get into for this video, this walkthrough. And we'll teach you a little bit about what this car is, why I'm filming it, what is it doing here, what purpose does it serve in the world. So you'll see, well, as you can see, this is a metallic black Toyota, and it's a 1994 Starlet GT Turbo. So these Starlets were offered in their most expensive trim level, this being that. And this is it comes in a 1.3 liter 4E FTE, so that's the turbocharged variant of the 4E FE engine, 135 horsepower, and this thing only weighs about 1,980 pounds. So we have a pretty decent power to weight ratio. You guys are welcome to crunch the numbers on that and learn what that compares to, how it stakes up to other vehicles, but it's up there in the fun factor. It's light, it's dialed in, it handles so well, and this was well taken care of. We do a lot of due diligence here to find clean cars to both play with, fix, restore, and sell, and this one fits the bill perfectly. One owner car, always kept in a garage in Japan. Let me give you the full 360 so you can see all four sides. Coming in at just about 100,000 original miles. This thing was well taken care of. It hasn't been heavily modified. It hasn't been molested in any ways that I would deem unfit for a vehicle. And it's clean, it works. Everything works as it should. You know, the air conditioning, the heat. It's all original. So original paint, original wheels, alloy aluminum wheels here. All the decals, everything is as it should be. You know, you've got modified front and rear bumpers. The hood scoop is a functional hood scoop. The lines are good. You have this rear spoiler. All of these were unique to the Starlet GT. You won't find these on a base model Starlet, four-wheel drive Starlet. This is a front-wheel drive hot hatch, essentially. You know, you have all this nice badging, which reminds you that it's a little sportier than the normal one. This is a fun car. I mean, you'll see on the inside, we've got a leather-wrapped steering wheel from factory, some nice bucket seats, more badging down the sides. These are a 14-inch wheel, the original wheels that came with it. Let's take a look inside. So I'll show you first the door cards. Switch to a wide angle. So underneath these protective mats, you'll see the original floor mats. And the wear and tear speaks for itself. There really isn't much to speak of. The seats, the upholstery are in fantastic shape. The floor mats don't display any wear, even the driver's side, which I'll show you guys. It has been fitted with a much nicer than standard shift knob. Your shift pattern is displayed down here. So, pretty standard Toyota fitment, nice circa 1990s. Original tape deck, AM/FM, and you've got your climate controls here. It has power mirrors, those are controlled by that switch there. Lift this up I'll show you the driver's seat, which is also really in good shape. Here are the back seats. A bucket seat, but you can seat 1, 2, and 3. So this actually does seat 3 in the rear. And this pops down to give you access to your trunk. Quite a bit of space in here considering the size of this vehicle. This is a small vehicle, which makes it so fun and adorable and unique. But it's also got a bit of a utilitarian vibe because it is a hatch. The razor blade is not included, sorry guys. So your headliner is all good. There's no rips or tears or really any stains in there. Again, you've got the floor mats in the back to match the front. Little sign here that says no smoking with an ashtray that hasn't been used ever. Nice touches from the original owner. Let's step over to the driver's side and I can show you guys what else is cooking over there. So as I said before, this is actually a functional hood scoop. This is something we just don't really see on many cars anymore. So it's nice to see things like that. All right, heading in, give you a pan. Driver's side door card. Roll up windows, something I like just because they work when you need them to work. You're not going to deal with a regulator going out. So a look at the floor mats, just as an indication of the wear. There's really not a lot of pedal wear. And even the steering wheel, which is a very nice factory option leather wrapped wheel. There's no wear on that. That's something you'll see common. I mean, if there's a dirty owner, they have dirty hands, the wheel gets worn out. Not the case here. Driver's seat. Peek into the rear again. All right, so there's really not much to it. It's a hot hatch. It's a 2-door. These did come in 2 and 4 doors. You might see on our channel or on our site that we've had a number of the 4 doors. So we're at 161,000 kilometers, which is just around exactly 100,000 miles. This cluster has a boost gauge right there, right in the center, which is cool. Just another reminder that it is a sporty flavor of this vehicle. I'm gonna see if I can start the engine for you guys. So you can hear it. Again, it's a quiet 1.3 liter, but it does have a turbo and it fires right up. We've got the air on, which is blowing nice and cold. It's a little bit of a warm day here. But if I turn that off, you'll see the RPMs go back to normal. It's an AC idle up function. All works. So this has a 7,100 RPM redline. This thing likes to be revved. You're gonna feel the power and the fun factor up at 4,000 plus RPMs. That's where it wants to be driven. And it is zippy, it is fun. This thing handles on a dime. I love it. And you know, what else is there to say? So I'll pop the hood, give you guys a little peeps under there. All the doors close nicely, as they should. See if I can one-hand this. Yes, gotten good at it. So you'll see it's got a strut race bar there. Here's your intercooler. New battery in this one, new thermostat, new coolant flush, oil. We go through these things, we make sure they're happy, we drive them, we use them. We want them to break when we're driving them so we can fix it, so you guys, when you're on your road trip, when you pick it up, you're happy. And these things are road trip ready. Look under the hood. Here's that bottom end of the hood scoop. Alright. Well, there you go, guys. A 1994 Toyota Starlet GT Turbo. It will be for sale here in Portland, Oregon soon. Stay tuned. Call us, reach out for more info. Check our website if you're interested in this, or you're just curious. Leave a comment if you have something to tell us. Let us know what you think. Thanks again for watching, and check us out on the next one. All right.